Welcome to our comprehensive Xero tutorial for beginners. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process of setting up your Xero company and getting started with this powerful accounting software. But before we dive into details, let's start with the basics. So, what is Xero and why you should consider using it? Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed to simplify and streamline your business finances. It's an all-in-one solution that offers numerous benefits for business owners and financial professionals. Xero is known for its efficiency. It can automate many aspects of financial management, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. It's also incredibly accurate, ensuring that your financial data is always up to date and precise. One of the standout features of Xero is its accessibility. You can access your financial data anytime, anywhere, from any device with an internet connection. This flexibility allows you to keep tabs on your business even when you're on the go. Xero is used by millions of businesses around the world, from small startups to large enterprises. It's trusted by professionals across various industries, making it a versatile tool for managing your business finances. In this video, we'll not only introduce you to Xero, but also guide you through the steps of setting up your Xero company. We'll cover everything from creating your Xero account to setting up tax rates, contacts, and invoicing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge and skills you need to efficiently manage your finances with Xero. Now that you understand why Xero is such a valuable tool, let's dive into the first step: creating your Xero account. Let's begin by creating your Xero account. If you haven't done so already, visit the Xero website by clicking the link in the description below. Once on the website, click the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Choose a subscription plan that aligns with your business needs. During the sign-up process, you'll need to provide essential information about your business, such as its name, location, and industry. This information will help Xero tailor the software to your specific requirements. Now that you've successfully created your Xero account, let's delve into the initial setup. Log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll be prompted to provide more details about your company. Ensure that the information you enter, such as your company name, business industry, and contact information, is accurate and up to date. This data is critical for generating accurate financial reports and managing your business efficiently. Efficiency is a key factor in managing your finances with Xero. Let's move on to connecting your bank accounts. Go to the Bank Account section within your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll find options to link your bank accounts to Xero. By connecting your bank accounts, Xero can automatically import your bank transactions. I'll walk you through the process of securely linking your accounts, ensuring that your financial data is always up to date and accurate, which is crucial for reconciling accounts. The chart of accounts is the foundation of your financial organization. To get started, go to Chart of Accounts section in your Xero account. Here, you can add and customize various accounts such as bank accounts, income, expenses, and assets. I'll provide a detailed walkthrough on how to organize your chart of accounts to match your business's specific needs. A well-organized chart of accounts ensures you can accurately categorize financial transactions and generate reports that provide insights into your business's financial health. Tax rates are a critical component of your financial setup. Xero is flexible and can accommodate different tax systems. I'll show you how to configure tax rates that apply to your business, whether it's sales tax, VAT, or other tax types, depending on your location and applicable tax regulations. Understanding and correctly setting up tax rates is crucial to ensure accurate tax calculations in your financial transactions. Managing business relationships is central to effective accounting. In the Contacts section of your Xero account, you can add and organize your contacts, including customers, suppliers, and other important business associates. I'll guide you through the process of entering contact information, which is essential for streamlined invoicing, bill management, and payments. If your business sells products or offers services, you need to set up your product and service catalog in Xero. I'll walk you through the process of adding items with details such as names, descriptions, prices, and tax codes. By creating a comprehensive catalog, you'll streamline the invoicing process, making it easier to bill your customers and keep track of your inventory. In our final segment, we'll make your business look professional and efficient by customizing your invoice templates. I'll show you how to add your company's logo, configure invoice numbering, and define payment terms. With these finishing touches, your invoice will not only impress your clients, but also make it easy for them to pay you promptly. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the setup of your Xero company, and you're now ready to leverage Xero's powerful features to efficiently manage your business finances. Thank you for joining us today for the Xero tutorial. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Now, if you haven't already, I encourage you to take the next step on your journey to efficient financial management. Creating a Xero account is simple and quick, and it opens the door to a world of possibilities for your business. To get started, click the Create Your Xero Account button below. By doing so, you'll gain access to the powerful tools and features that Xero offers, and you'll be well on your way to taking control of your business finances. Remember, Xero offers efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility like no other accounting software. It's trusted by millions of businesses worldwide, and it can make a significant difference in how you manage your finances. If you'd like to stay updated with more informative tutorials and tips on using Xero, please subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you make the most of your Xero experience. Create your Xero account today and take the first step toward financial success for your business. Visit Xero's official website linked below to get started. We'll see you in the next tutorial, and until then, take care.